This is your complete guide to setting up the Stripe payment gateway in easy digital downloads. We'll cover every setting inside EDD, from your first connection to fraud alerts and testing, before you go live. This walkthrough assumes you already have easy digital downloads installed and activated on your site. You'll also need a Stripe account. If you don't already have one, you can sign up for a free account by going to stripe.com/register and following the prompts. Be sure to have your business details ready because Stripe uses them to verify your account. To connect your account, go to your WordPress dashboard and head to Downloads, then Settings, then Payments. Click over into the Stripe tab. On this screen, select the Connect with Stripe button. You'll be redirected to Stripe's site to log in or create your account. Once you're done, you'll land back on this screen with Stripe marked as connected. Stripe uses Webhooks to send EDD live updates, like renewal payments and order status changes. In most cases, EDD sets this up automatically when you connect your account. If you ever need to configure it manually, head to your Stripe dashboard, then Developers, then Webhooks, and add an endpoint pointed at your site's address, followed by !_EDD, listener equals Stripe. Select events on your account, choose all events, and use the latest API version. If you plan to sell subscriptions with our recurring payments feature, make sure this connection is fully complete first, since it builds directly on it. With Stripe connected, go back to the General tab. Under Active Gateways, toggle Stripe on. Set it as your default gateway if you want it selected automatically at checkout. Click Save Changes to lock it in. A few settings control what customers see at checkout and on their bank statement. Your statement descriptor is a short description between 5 and 22 characters that you set inside your Stripe account. Turn on Include Purchase Summary if you also want product names added, space allowing, and if you're ever tempted by Restrict Stripe Assets, which disables Stripe script on pages that don't need it, know that we don't recommend it. It weakens Stripe's own fraud detection. One more setting worth knowing about: Send Line Items. Turning it on sends detailed purchase data to Stripe with every order to improve acceptance for certain payment methods, such as Klarna. EDD lets you control exactly which payment methods show up at checkout, from cards to Apple Pay, Google Pay, and more, along with whether they display as tabs or an accordion. Click a payment method to turn it on. Some methods need additional configuration from your Stripe dashboard before they'll activate. Keep in mind, the methods actually shown to customers can vary based on things like currency, country, and what's in their cart. Stripe can email you when its fraud detection flags a suspicious order. Head to Downloads, then Emails. Find Stripe Early Fraud Warning in the list and turn it on. Before you go live, turn on Test Mode under Payment Gateways and run a test transaction on the front end of your site using Stripe's test card details. If you're testing Apple Pay or Google Pay, know they behave a little differently. Apple Pay needs a real card already in your wallet, though nothing is ever charged in test mode, and Google Pay accepts Stripe's test cards through your Chrome browser settings. Once you've confirmed your test transaction went through, head back to Payment Gateways and turn test mode back off. Since payment methods can update while you're in test mode, take a quick look at your payment method settings again before you save. Then click Save Changes, and you're ready to accept real payments. And that's everything you need to run Stripe with confidence in easy digital downloads. For the full written setup doc, visit the Stripe Setup Guide, linked in the description. For more gateway walkthroughs, check out our Accepting Payments playlist. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos.